Today we're opening a Christmas tree. And today I'm doing a multiple video with my sister. So the first, let's start. So this is the first part. We bought the first we put on the leggies, and now we open it like this. Excuse me, Yara. Like this.
No saques nada.
And you
No
continue
saques nada.
until you're finished. It's difficult to tell which part is which.
Dari.
3, 4!
Oh
my God,
so
sí.
lo daña.
It looks like we just
Mira,
lumberjacked a tree.
eso no es allá.
Hey, what? It's stuck.
Ya.
Oh. So now that we do that, we unite all pieces.
That is the
First, this piece goes like this.
yes.
And now for the last piece. I'm going to show you how to connect it. So guys, leave a like down below for more showing. This is the Christmas opening. So like and subscribe for more, and in the comments down below tell us if we put it here or there in another place that we have. So now my sister connects one. Well guys, we finished putting it on and it works.
Surprise!
And it got different settings. The first one is off, of course. The second is alternative. Alternative is this. It got the third, the second alternative. The second choice is clear, which clear will be like this. So boring. And the last setting is multiple. Well guys, let me put it on multiple. I'm going to leave it on like this. So now we are going to show you